to it now. Thank you, thank you. Just leave a comment, my friend. Just leave a comment. So, she will get back to you later, please. Sis Imang, done na ako sa iyo. Dikit na rin. Ayan. Next, sino? Binin si Bigay OTW sa'yo, sa bahay mo. Okay, Binin si Bigay, watching ako sa iyong, panoorin ko ito na ano mo. Itong 5 minutes na lang. Wow, amazing, beautiful place is Siargao, Zamboanga. Taga Siargao ka ba, idol? Binin si Bugay. Okay, please connect guys sa nakapin. Thank you for your support. You're welcome, Yusef. Bin si Bugay watching. Please watching all your video. Here, Aramia, thank you. Sibin like. Maraming salamat sis Aramia. Thank you guys. Thank you guys sa 8 million in the house at maraming salamat sa pa-like. Thank you, thank you. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-live kasi talaga naman. Dinsel, good evening host. Good evening to you, to your place. And here in my place is afternoon, morning or still morning. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, host. You're welcome. I'm still watching your cooking test. It's yummy. Delicious food. Yes, of course. Please connect guys to this guy. I will connect to you this one this because I'm not yet connected this one. After I watch your video, okay? Please connect to everyone guys. Wina's Kitchen and Daily Lifestyle. Hello, hello, hello. Please connect guys to Wina guys. And just leave a comment. Life over 40. Thank you. Salamat sis. Life over 40. Diwata Channel. Tamsaks. Sis. Maraming salamat sis. Dawan. Ayan. This done. Is already connected to you now. Bill all here. Thank you guys. Okay, Binin Cebu guys, still watching sa iyong amazing beautiful place, Siargao, Zamboanga del Norte. Ayan, musta sis? Ayan si Koy, ngayon lang nakapag-live kay busy yun ko in tawon. Hi, Wina's Kitchen and Daily Lifestyle. Sino yun nandyan? Please connect guys sa nakapin para mapipina natin si Wina's Kitchen guys. Ang tagal mong, oo sis, kay dito kasi sila sis, tapos may mga bisita ba sila din, so kahit pagsilip ng white, di na ako kasilip kay wala talaga, arang talaga ka busy, lahat talaga, bagsak na lahat ang WH ko, at saka subscriber ko, at saka yung watch hour ko, bagsak lahat sa loob ng 1 linggo. Bumaba na lahat, kulay green na. Arrow down na ako. Kaya pala sis, oo, sige lang, okay lang yung sisi ko. Babawi tayo, live lang, makabawi, makatapos din yan. Mabawi din yung time na yun. Maraming salamat guys sa 11 million in the house. At yun sip, dan ako sa kanya. Sis Wina ang TW. Nandito ako sa bahay mo, Wina's Kitchen. Oh. Wina's Kitchen. Oh, mayroon ka upcoming premiere. Tamsak sa'yo ako. Tamsak number 10, sis Wina. Okay. Kaya ayaw ko i-comment kay naghahang. Sayang yung time. Sa December 6 kasi dito lahat sila. Ay naku, mas busy ka din yan. Kami naman, pag December, tingin ko, hindi ako ganun ka-busy kay malamig dito, winter, walang masyadong pupunta. Thank you guys, 7 million in the house.